Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Bangkok has built a reputation for being a shopping paradise, with plenty of mega malls for us to shop till we drop. Just when you think that there's enough options for you to shop, think again. If you're a big fan of thrifting, you might want to add 2nd Street to your list of shopping places in Bangkok. 2nd Street is a popular thrift store from Japan, and they have opened their many outlets in Bangkok, Thailand, and this shop is located in Big C Rama for Bangkok, and let's just say, it's so massive, you'll literally be spoiled for choice. The entire store is neatly organized by categories ranging from clothes to shoes, accessories, and even bags. You can slowly take your time to browse through all the racks of clothes to see what hidden gems you can find here. Most of the items here have also been carefully sourced from Japan, so you know they're good quality stuff. What I love most about thrifting is, depending on your luck, you might even find brand new pieces going for a fraction of the original price. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Looking for some fresh kicks? 2nd Street has a wide selection of sneakers ranging from popular brands like Nike, Adidas, Reebok, Converse, and more. The shoes are also in great condition, and you can hardly tell that they're second-hand. Once you've built an entire outfit together, of course you're going to need some matching accessories to go with it. Shop for items like watches, jewelry, caps, and more here. Don't forget to shop for a matching bag while you're at it. What's even better is, 2nd Street also has a selection of second-hand luxury goods in excellent condition, all going for a fraction of its original price. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. You can even find items from Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Coach, Prada, and so much more. Honestly, not a bad place to shop for luxury goods without paying a hefty price. I don't know about you, but I'm already getting my shopping bags ready. Please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.